Hi everyone, welcome to the series of quick report generation using Excel. Today we are going to generate the skill based Mount Everest report using Excel sheet. So this is the sample report and this is the sample Excel sheet I have in which you need to enter your information or your data to generate this report card. So here in the report card, as you can see, there is a school information or the institute information at the top, and you need to enter this information in the school sheet like school name, address, report name and the logo. Now the student data. Here in the report there is a student name, roll number, class and the attendance details. So here is the student name, class name, roll number, absent days, present days and total days. Now here is a signature. Here I have the name of the signature holder, designation and the digital signature, and the signature is printed at the bottom of the report card. You can change the name, designation and you need to upload their signature in this cell. Now the student comments. Here you can see there is a class teacher's comment, and here is the roll number, student name and the comment. Make sure you have copied and pasted the roll number and student name from the student sheet, and here I have 5 students but you can have any number of students. Now let's move further to the skills results. So here you can see there is a skill name and the sub skills or child skills and the other details of student like student name, class name and roll number. So the cycle 1, cycle 2, cycle 3 you can replace the text, and for child skills as well you can edit the text and enter the skills for each subject or each cycle. So this is for English subject and cycle 1. This is for cycle 2, cycle 3. So similarly you can enter the data for other subjects and other skills. And here at the end of the subject there is the final outcome of the skills, means the term 1 and term 2 skill result, and then the final assessment and for other subjects as well. Now let's move further to the co-scholastic skills. So these were the subject skills, and now the co-scholastic skills are like physical education, art and craft, etc. So here is the student basic information, and here you can see there is a physical information, physical education, art and craft and the sub skills and the skills evaluation. And here is printed the same information, same for the discipline skill. So this is how we can generate the skill based Mount Everest report using Excel. So head on to EduCloud to generate this report, and feel free to contact us for further information on support@educloud.in.